The complete fundamentals for data science. Data science is a concept to unify statistic, data analysis, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. It uses techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, domain knowledge, and information science. Why data science? Data science or data driven science enables better decision making, predictive analysis, and pattern discovery. It lets you find the leading cause of a problem by asking the right questions. Perform exploratory study on the data, model of data using various algorithms, communicate and visualize the results via graphs, dashboards, etc. In practice, data science is already helping the airline industry predict disruptions in travel to alleviate the pain for both airlines and passengers. With the help of data science, airlines can optimize operations in many ways, including plan routes and decide whether to schedule direct or connecting flights, build predictive analytics models to forecast flight delays, offer personalized promotional offers based on customers' booking patterns, decide which class of plans to purchase for better overall performance. In another example, let's say you want to buy new furniture for your office. When looking online for the best option and deal, you should answer some critical questions before making your decision. What are the fundamentals of data analysis? Students will learn to input, process, and analyze data with a range of analytical and visualization tools. The course begins by covering types of data, data acceptance, input, processing, and transformation. What are the fundamentals of data science? Data science requires a diverse skill set. Statistics, including both the underlying theory and real world application. Programming in at least one of Python or R, as well as SQL and using the command line. Data engineering best practices. Communicating your work effectively. Data science is changing the way we work, the way we use data, our approach to the world. What does a data scientist do? A data scientist analyzes business data to extract meaningful insights. In other words, a data scientist solves business problems through a series of steps, including ask the right questions to understand the problem, gather data from multiple sources, enterprise data, public data, etc. Process raw data and convert it into a format suitable for analysis. Feed the data into the analytical system, ML algorithm, or a statistical model. Prepare the results and insights to share with the appropriate stakeholders. Now we should be aware of some machine learning algorithms which are beneficial in understanding data science clearly. Difference between business intelligence and data science. Business intelligence is a combination of the strategies and technologies used for the analysis of business data information. Like data science, it can provide historical, current, and predictive views of business operations. However, there are some key differences. Business intelligence data science uses both structured and unstructured data. Analytical in nature provides a historical report of the data. Scientific in nature perform an in-depth statistical analysis on the data. Use of basic statistic with emphasis on visualization, dashboards, reports, leverages more sophisticated statistical and predictive analysis and machine learning. Compares historical data to current data to identify trends, combines historical and current data to predict future performance and outcomes. Applications of data science. Data science has found its applications in almost every industry. Healthcare. Healthcare companies are using data science to build sophisticated medical instruments to detect and cure diseases. Gaming, video and computer games are now being created with the help of data science and that has taken the gaming experience to the next level. Image recognition. Identifying patterns in images and detecting objects in an image is one of the most popular data science project. Recommendation systems. Netflix and Amazon give movie and product recommendations based on what you like to watch, purchase or browse on the platforms. Logistics. Data science is used by logistic companies to optimize routes to ensure faster delivery of products and increase operational efficiency. Fraud detection. Banking and financial institutions use data science and related algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions. The life cycle of data science projects. To give further clarity on what is data science, here is a detailed description of the stages involved in the life cycle of a data science project. The first phase of a data science project is the concept study. The goal of this step is to understand the problem by performing a study of the business model. For example, let's say you are trying to predict the price of a 1.35 carat diamond. In this case, you need to understand the terminology used in the industry and the business problem and then collect enough relevant data about the industry. Data preparation. Since raw data may not be usable, data preparation is the most crucial aspect of the data science life cycle. A data scientist must first examine the data to identify any gaps or data that do not add any value. During this process, you must go through several steps, including data integration, resolve any conflicts in the data set, and eliminate redundancies. Data transformations. Normalize, transform, and aggregate data using ETL, extract, transform, load methods. Data reduction using various strategies reduce the size of data without impacting the quality or outcome. Data cleaning correct inconsistent data by filling out missing values and smoothing out noisy data. Model planning is the next phase to be discussed in what is data science article.